You need cleaning services that improve efficiency and meet the needs of your facility and industry. In today's video, we're going to review all of the services that we offer, what they include, and how they make your building cleaner, safer, and more enjoyable to be in. Hi, it's Matt, and I want to welcome you to another video. Today, we'll be discussing all of the services that we offer at OctoClean, which include general janitorial services, day porter services, floor and carpet care, plus outdoor maintenance. Let's get started with the first, general janitorial. General janitorial services truly is our core business. And what's included in general janitorial services are emptying trash, cleaning desks, cleaning restrooms, and the frequency that we do that is really based on your specific needs and is really tailored to your industry. We specialize in medical and school cleaning, but we also clean general office buildings and industrial facilities. If you want to learn more about the service schedules that we have and how that could fit your industry, click the link in the description below and you'll find one that's just for you. Next is porter services, and porter services are performed typically during the day, and they would be full-time shifts. So you're looking at a Monday through Friday, someone is in your facility, and their job is to complement the evening services or to maintain a level of clean throughout the day. Most porter services are going to be in facilities that are super high traffic, or in facilities that have high compliance, like medical facilities or schools. But OctoClean can serve you in any custom way that's necessary, and porter services really are that, custom cleaning services for your industry, for your building. So next is floor care, and floor care includes services like carpet cleaning, we're talking truck mount, as well as interim maintenance cleaning. Floor care also means strip and finish, scrub and recoat, different types of finishes on floors so that we keep things looking bright and clean and as new as possible. We recommend that your floor and carpet care services are on a regular schedule. That way we're able to maintain a look of professionalism and clean in your buildings at all times. We also pride ourselves in having a specialized crew that goes out and performs these duties. You'll never have the same person who's cleaning your building at night also performing your floor care services. These are highly trained, well-equipped individuals that know exactly how to maintain your floors and your carpets. And lastly, exterior maintenance services. And this would include pressure washing, window cleaning, and parking lot sweeping. These are important services for you to show your customers and your employees how much you care about the look and feel of your facilities. First impressions count. As a final note, just want to make sure we're clear that OctoClean is a commercial cleaning service only. Sorry about that for you residential customers that are looking for a great cleaning company. But if you're a commercial customer, we're ready to serve. That wraps up this video. If you enjoyed this content, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time.